So today in this video we shall learn how to find GCF or HCF of 4, 8 and 10. So before finding GCF or HCF, we should know what the GCF or HCF stands for. So GCF stands for greatest common factor and HCF stands for highest common factor. So here we shall find out GCF by or HCF by two methods. First one by factorization method and second one by division method. So let's find out GCF or HCF of 4, 8 and 10 by factorization method. So while finding GCF or HCF by factorization method, you have to take the prime factors of all the given numbers. So here numbers are 4, 8 and 10. Means that you have to take the prime factors of 4, 8 and 10 separately. So first of all, let's take the prime factors of 4. So it is 2 times 2 means 4 and 2 times 1 means 2. So here is 8. So it is 2 times 4 means 8 and 2 times 2 means 4 and 2 times 1 means 2. Like as here at last we have 10. So it is 2 times 5 means 10 and 5 times 1 means 5. So as you look here, we have taken the prime factors of all the given numbers. So from the prime factors, we can write 4 is equal to 2 multiple 2. So again we can write 8 is equal to 2 multiple 2 multiple 2. In the same way we can write 10 is equal to 2 multiple 5. From here we can write it. So while finding GCF or HCF, you should know GCF or HCF is the product of all the common elements in a factorization method. So while finding out GCF by factorization method, first now we have to determine the common elements in all the given numbers. So common elements is equal to, so let's find out common elements. So what is common in all these three factorizing elements? So here is 2 common. So again, yes, there is present in 2 is present in both, but it is not present in last one. So so common can't be taken. So common element is only 2. Therefore, GCF or HCF is the product of common element, but our common element is only 2. So GCF or HCF becomes only 2. So in this way, we can find out GCF or HCF by factorization method. And now we find out GCF or HCF by division method. So while finding GCF of HCF by division method, first of all you have to take the two numbers, and among two numbers one number will be greater and another number will be lesser, and you have to divide the greater number with the lesser number. So look here, first of all let's two numbers 4 and 8. In 4 and 8, 8 is greater and 4 is the lesser, and in GCF by division method, we have to take greater number which is 8 and divide it with a smaller number which is 4. So it is 4 times 2 means it is 8. So it takes no remainder at last. And while finding GCF or HCF by division method, the divisor which is 4 take no remainder at last becomes the GCF of HCF. So in the case of 4 and 8, the divisor 4 takes no remainder at last. So in the case of 4 and 8, 4 becomes the GCF of 4 and 8. But we are finding here the GCF of 3 elements and our third element is 8. So now we have to check out whether this 4 can exactly divide 10 or not. So let's 4 10. So it is 4 times 2 means 8. So here is remainder 2. So we have to again divide the divisor with the remainder 2. So 2 divides 4. So it is 2 times 2 means it is 4. So the divisor 2 takes no remainder at last. So here in this case the divisor 4 takes no remainder, and in this case the divisor 2 takes no remainder. So when this happens, then let's check it for third element 4 and 10. So here 10 is the greater number and 4 is the lesser greater number. So 10 divides 4. So it is third element 8 and 10. So it is 8 divide 10. So 8 times 1 means it is 8. So here 2 is remainder. So again we have to divide the divisor with the remainder, that is 2 divides 8. So it is 2 times 4 means 8. So 2 takes no remainder in the case of 10, and 2 takes no remainder on the case of 4 and 10. So that we can write GCF of HCF is equal to